Today we will learn about the transversal. Do you play tic-tac-toe game? We need to draw 4 lines to play this game. Can you find out how many different lines is each line intersecting with? Think for a while. Absolutely correct. Here you can see that each line is intersecting 2 different lines at 2 different points. A line that intersects 2 or more lines in the same plane at different points is called the transversal of those lines. If you see here, line R is intersecting the line P and line Q at different points. Therefore, line R is the transversal of lines P and Q. This makes different angles with the two lines which have an interesting relationship amongst them. We will learn about them in the next video. For now, we will understand the transversal. Look at this figure. Here you can see that the line P and line Q are parallel. Line R is intersecting these two lines at different points. So, we can say that the line R is the transversal of line P and line Q. You can also see that the transversal of two lines intersects them at two different points. That means the transversal of two lines has two different points of intersection. Now, look at this figure. Is line R a transversal in this case also? Think for a while. We have learned that a line that intersects two or more lines in the same plane at different points, it is called the transversal of those lines. Since the line R is intersecting the line P, line Q and line S at different points, we can say that the line R is the transversal of lines P, Q and S. You can also see that there are 3 points of intersection of the transversal on these 3 lines. Similarly, if we make a transversal on 4 lines, then it will intersect them at 4 points. Based on this, we can say that the number of points of intersection of the transversal is equal to the number of lines that are getting intersected. So, tell me, what will be the number of points of intersection of the transversal of 6 lines? Think for a while. Absolutely correct. The number will be 6. Now let us discuss this figure. Is the line R a transversal of line P and line Q? Think for a while. Absolutely correct. Here we can see that the line R is intersecting line P and line Q, but it is intersecting both the lines at only one point and not at different points. In such cases, we don't say that the line R is the transversal of line P and line Q. Is the line R a transversal of the 3 lines P, Q and S? Think for a while. Absolutely correct. Since the line P, line Q and line R are intersecting at only one point, we cannot say that the line R is the transversal of the 3 lines P, Q and S. But if we observe, line R is intersecting the lines Q and S at different points. So, we can say that the line R is the transversal of lines Q and S. Similarly, line R is intersecting the lines P and S at 2 different points. Therefore, line R is the transversal of lines P and S. Now just think, how many transversals can be drawn for 2 lines? Let me tell you. The lines extend infinitely on both sides. Therefore, we can draw an infinite number of transversal lines for these 2 lines. With this, you might have understood the concept of transversal very well. Today we have learned about transversal. In the next video, we will discuss the angles formed by a transversal.